Welcome to Skill Shield Prepper. Our mission is to help you build up your skills in the 7 main elements of survival: mental resilience, physical condition, information and awareness, knowledge and skills, preparedness and planning, tools and weapons, and community and support. These 7 different skill sets are the art of survival. Today, we focused on physical condition, the second element. In the face of unexpected challenges and crises, your physical abilities will determine your capability to survive. In order to become ready for any situation, you need to maintain optimal physical condition. Beyond the superficial pursuit of fitness, a well-rounded approach that encompasses functional strength, cardiovascular and muscle endurance, explosive power, mobility and flexibility, speed and reflexes, as well as balance and coordination, is the skill package you need to overcome crisis situations. In this exploration, we delve into the significance of these specific physical skills and how they contribute to effective crisis response. Skill number 1, functional strength. Unlike traditional strength training, functional strength is about practicality and adaptability. It equips individuals with the power needed for real-world tasks, such as lifting and carrying heavy objects, moving obstacles, or aiding those in distress. The ability to apply strength in a functional manner ensures that individuals can navigate the physical demands of a crisis, making them better prepared to respond to urgent and unpredictable situations. In essence, functional strength is the dynamic force that empowers individuals to act decisively when it matters most, reinforcing the foundation of resilience in the face of unexpected challenges. Skill number 2, cardiovascular and muscle endurance. As unforeseen challenges unfold, the demand for sustained physical effort becomes paramount. Cardiovascular endurance ensures that the heart and lungs can efficiently supply oxygen to the body over an extended period, enabling individuals to endure prolonged exertion during tasks like evacuations or emergency response. Meanwhile, muscle endurance ensures that key muscle groups can withstand continuous use, preventing fatigue and maintaining overall physical performance. In a crisis, where the ability to persevere is often tested, a well-conditioned cardiovascular and muscle endurance not only enhances personal stamina, but also contributes significantly to the collective strength of a community in navigating and overcoming adversity. Skill number 3, explosive power. In crisis situations, quick and forceful actions can make all the difference. Whether it's swiftly evading a potential threat, executing rapid bursts of energy, or responding to an urgent call for assistance, explosive power is the catalyst for immediate, impactful movements. This skill enables individuals to summon a sudden surge of strength and speed, allowing them to navigate unpredictable scenarios with agility and effectiveness. In the face of the unexpected, explosive power becomes a crucial asset, empowering individuals to respond decisively and assertively to the dynamic challenges that arise during a crisis. Skill number 4, mobility and flexibility. These skills are the unsung heroes, allowing individuals to adapt swiftly to the ever-changing demands of emergency situations. Whether it's navigating through confined spaces, avoiding obstacles, or responding to unexpected challenges, a body cultivated with mobility and flexibility moves with a heightened sense of agility. These skills not only enhance physical adaptability, but also reduce the risk of injury by enabling fluid and dynamic movements. In the fluid and unpredictable landscape of a crisis, mobility and flexibility are the keys to successfully maneuvering through obstacles and emerging unscathed on the other side. Skill number 5, speed and reflexes. The ability to react swiftly and make split-second decisions is paramount for personal safety and effective crisis response. Speed allows individuals to traverse through chaotic environments rapidly, while heightened reflexes ensure quick responses to unforeseen circumstances. Whether it's evading potential threats or providing immediate assistance, a honed sense of speed and reflexes becomes a crucial asset. In the blink of an eye, these skills can be the difference between averting danger and succumbing to it. Speed and reflexes, in essence, are the dynamic tools that empower individuals to navigate crises with agility, resilience, and the ability to make rapid, informed decisions. Skill number 6, balance and coordination. Maintaining equilibrium becomes essential when facing uneven terrain, navigating through debris, or executing precise movements in chaotic environments. These skills not only reduce the risk of accidents, but also ensure a level of control and confidence in the face of uncertainty. Whether traversing through confined spaces or executing complex maneuvers, a well-honed sense of balance and coordination enhances an individual's overall effectiveness in crisis response. These skills are the stabilizing force that allows individuals to move with assurance, contributing significantly to personal safety and the ability to respond capably in moments of heightened urgency. The sum of these skills creates a holistic approach to physical conditioning that is unparalleled in crisis response. A well-rounded fitness regimen ensures individuals are adaptable, resilient, and capable of meeting diverse challenges head-on. Conclusion: as we confront an unpredictable world, recognizing the integral role of physical conditioning and the specific skills associated with crisis response is paramount. Functional strength, cardiovascular and muscle endurance, explosive power, mobility and flexibility, speed and reflexes, balance and coordination are not just fitness buzzwords, they are the building blocks of resilience. By investing in these skills, individuals not only enhance their personal well-being, but also contribute to the collective strength and resilience of communities in the face of adversity. Let us embrace physical conditioning as a proactive step towards empowering ourselves and those around us for the uncertainties that lie ahead. In future videos, we will break down these skills and teach you step by step how to develop them. Finally, we will build a training plan for all-around optimal physical condition. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on prepping and survival. Stay safe, stay prepared, and never stop learning.